Good morning, brothers and sisters. My name is Catherine Kujo, aka Key Mama Show, YouTube, Twitter, everything if you wanted to follow me. But anyway, I have a special message to deliver. I went to church last week, and during the church service, I heard a voice told me, deliver this message to my people. Do not replace cell phone technology tablet with this Holy Bible. I have also noticed, you might too, that we tend to quick service and everything, so we tend to use our tablet, our cell phone, our church and so forth. But please, the Bible is the only weapon you have to fight for the evil that's fighting against you. This is clean. This is holy. There is no, what I'm saying in the social media and so forth. Nothing in there. This is made special. This is holy. So my dear brothers and sisters, please, I'm encouraging you and I'm delivering this message as it was directed. Please do not replace the Bible. Hold on to the Bible. Pray every day. Read your Bible every day. Please, this message that the voice, I was in church and to deliver to you, hold on to the Bible. When you go into church, please do not put the Bible away and carry your tablet. The tablet cannot fight the devil. The Holy Bible is the only key you have. It's the only thing you have to fight the devil that's fighting against you. This is what you have to use to teach your children and the generation to come. So please, my brothers, sisters, watching me this morning, please hold on to your Bible. Do not replace it with anything. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not keep it to yourself. Share it. A friend, family. It might not be of use to you, but it might be of use to somebody. So please, if you believe in God, send this message. Let the message go out to our brothers and sisters. They are not doing it intentionally, but we are always on the run. And that's the only immediate thing we have. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not replace technology. This is the Bible. Hold on to it and God will bless you. Have a good day.